to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them ordering bottles of the Ace when they